work on the front rotor, sometimes they're stuck on, like this one here and the other one. What happens where they mate to the surface on the other side, on the back side of the rotor, it actually rusts. So what you gotta do is beat the hell out of it. So get yourself a hammer and go to town. Try to hit it as flat as I could with the hammer. You can see I created an indentation right there. Got it free. What a hassle. What a hassle. Beat it up. I put the lug nuts back on because I didn't want to hit the threads and mess up the threads on the studs. But you can see right there I nicked it. So if I was going to reuse this rotor, I definitely have to have it resurfaced. And at the very last one I did, I tried to hit the hammer as flat as I could against the rotor, so that wouldn't happen. I actually just missed. But I'm actually replacing these with cross-drilled and slotted rotors, so it's not a big deal. But sometimes you have to destroy the rotor to get it off. Yeah, like I said, if I was going to reuse these, I'd have them resurfaced and take that little nick out. Okay, so there you go. I hope this has helped you out.